so we want to integrate x times 3 to the power of x, okay, with respect to x. Right, so for this question we need to use by part. Right, so to do by part, first thing that we need to do is we need to factorize, or we need to identify. So the integrand is the multiple of what? Okay, it must be a multiple of two things. So there should be two things being multiplied. But for this question, we can clearly see that there are two terms, which is x is multiplied with 3 to the power of x. So this is the first step, okay, is factorize. And then we need to identify each of these term is what category. So for x is a polynomial, and 3 to the power of x is an exponent. So we use the L'Hopital rule, LPET, okay, to determine, okay, which term will be u. Okay, so because for by part we have to choose u and dv. Okay, so one of these two terms, okay, one must be u, another one will become dv. Okay, we use this L'Hopital rule. Okay, we look at the ranking. So between p and e, so p is the highest ranking than e, so x will be our u. Okay, so automatically 3 to the power of x will become dv. So we also bring down the dx. Right, so that is the second step, to choose u and dv. Okay, third step, okay, for u we need to differentiate. So if we differentiate u with respect to x, so we get du dx is equals to 1. And then we need to rearrange, we need to find du. So du is equals to dx. Okay, so for dv, we need to integrate both sides. So if we integrate dv, become v. And if we integrate 3 to the power of x, this is 3 to the power of x over ln 3. Okay, because this is an exponent. Alright, so next step is to substitute into the formula. So the formula, okay, this is the question. Okay, is equals to uv minus integrate v du. So we need to replace. So u is x, v is 3 to the power of x over ln 3. Okay, minus integrate v, which is 3 to the power of x over ln 3. Okay, and du is dx. Okay, so for the part of x times 3 to the power of x, we can simplify. We get this is we can rewrite this as 3 to the power of x over ln 3. Okay, minus, okay, so for this part we need to integrate. So we have the constant 1 over ln 3 we can take out from the integral. Okay, we can take out 1 over ln 3 because there is a constant. So we need to integrate 3 to the power of x, and we already done that before. So we can integrate 3 to the power of x. It's just a basic rule. Sorry. Okay, this part is already finished. So if we integrate, we get 1 over ln 3 for the constant. So integrate 3 to the power of x, we get 3 to the power of x over ln 3, and then plus c. So we can simplify a little bit. So we get 3 to the power of x times x over ln 3. Okay, minus, so we need to multiply, okay, the fraction. So we have 3 to the power of x over, okay, ln 3 times ln 3 become ln 3 square, and then plus c.